Welcome to the AKKO Partner Portal. This is a brief overview of all of the different sections of the portal. When you first log in, you will be signed into your dashboard. There are some quick help buttons here for FAQs, register plans, and a little bit of information over sales that have been happening. When a customer needs to register a new plan when they're in your store, come up to Register a New Plan button, and you can add a phone-only plan or an AKKO plan for them. Moving down to the sales report, this is where you can see all of the different information regarding sales that you have made per team member and store-wide. There are some graphs to show you that information, as well as a menu bar to show which team members have been selling plans. If you are an approved repair store and someone comes in and has an issue with their claims and you need to look up what status a certain claim is at to begin the repairs or to answer any questions for them, come to the Claims tab to look that up with the phone number and the claim ID. In the Teams tab, you have all of the different team members at your store signed up to be selling plans. So at the moment on this test store, we only have one signed up, but you can have as many team members as you need listed here on this page. The properties shows you which locations that you're selling from, which locations your business is registered at with AKKO. If you only have one location, then one location will populate here. If you have multiple, 2, 3, 4 or more, you can add all of those in here, as many as you need. In the Marketing tab, this is where you access our Google Drive that has different folders for all our different marketing materials, reimbursement instructions for printing costs, as well as any hangers and the costs for those are here. Just email partner-support@getakko.com. In the settings, you can edit some of the settings for the primary administrator as well as the PayPal settings, and your logout button when you're finished with your session is at the bottom of that page. If at any time during any of this process that you need help, you can find the blue icon at the bottom right and start chatting with a live team member from Partner Support, and we will get anything handled for you that you need help with. Lastly, there is a Contact Us button, which pulls out that same blue icon for our chat. And if you need to access our FAQs at any time, you can find the FAQs and info button at the bottom, and it will bring you over to our partner FAQ page.